Hey there, and welcome back to the sixth part of English sentences. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna share some more and more advanced sentences. So in the meantime, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and also give it a thumbs up if you like our work. Okay, so let's get going. काश मैं तुम्हें भूल सकूं. I wish I could forget you. I wish I could forget you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ थी जब तुम्हें मेरी ज़रूरत थी. I was there when you needed me. I was there when you needed me. काश वो मुझे समझ सके. I wish he could understand me. I wish he could understand me. मैं तुम्हें अपनी आखिरी सांस तक नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I won't leave you till my last breath. I won't leave you till my last breath. मैं तुम्हें निराश नहीं करूंगा. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. मैं तुम्हें दोबारा परेशान नहीं करूंगी. I swear I won't bother you again. I swear I won't bother you again. तुम्हारा काम करवा दिया जाएगा. Your work will be done. Your work will be done. मैं तुम्हारा काम चुटकियों में करवा सकता हूँ. I can get your work done at once. I can get your work done at once. मैं कुछ बड़ा करने की सोच रहा हूँ. I'm thinking something big to do. I'm thinking something big to do. पूरे कमरे में आपकी आवाज़ गूंज रही है. Your voice is resounding in whole room. Your voice is resounding in whole room. मुझे पता है वो दूसरों से कैसे बात करती है. I know how she talks to other. I know how she talks to other. मैं उससे बहुत कम बातें करता हूँ. I hardly talk to her. I hardly talk to her. बहुत समय से दिखे नहीं. Long time no see. Long time no see. आखिरकार वो तुम्हारा दोस्त है. After all he is your friend. After all he is your friend. हालात दिन ब दिन ख़राब हो रहे हैं. Things are getting deteriorating day by day. Things are getting deteriorating day by day. इतनी अकड़ ठीक नहीं होती. Such a swag is not good. Such a swag is not good. मैं तुम्हें कैसे समझाऊं. How do I make you understand? How do I make you understand? ये जिम्मेदारी तुम्हें लेनी चाहिए. You should take this responsibility. You should take this responsibility. तुम कोचिंग नहीं गए थे. You had not gone to the coaching. You had not gone to the coaching. क्या पता क्या है उसमें. God knows what's in there. God knows what's in there. लेकिन मैं अभी अभी आई हूँ. But I just got there. But I just got here. मुझे ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है तुम नहीं जानते. I get the feeling you don't know. I get the feeling you don't know. मैं क्या नहीं जानता? What do I not know? What do I not know? तुम प्यार के लिए बहुत बेकरार थे. You were so desperate for love. You were so desperate for love. अगर तुम नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हो तो पैसा बर्बाद मत करो. If you don't want to study, so don't waste the money. If you don't want to do study, so don't waste the money. मैं एक कदम भी नहीं चल सकता. I can't take even a single step. I can't take even a single step. मैं बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I'm so tired. I am so tired. वो तुमसे मिलने के लिए आने वाला है. He is about to come to meet you. He is about to come to meet you. Okay, that's all for today. So it's a sentence time. So I'm gonna give you one sentence, that is तुम्हें घर पर होना चाहिए. तुम्हें घर पर होना चाहिए. Okay. So see this sentence on your screen. So please pause the video and translate it and write in the comment box. I will check it out. Okay. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. And also press the bell icon because you want the notification to come to you instantly, and also give us a thumbs up. Okay. And happy watching.